Hello guys, so today I'm going to show my friend Lucas some proof that I'm not hacking. So this guy, Funky King, will be testing me here, guys, and I'm going to prove if my friend Lucas trusts me. Okay. So I'm going to choose, he's going to choose run, of course. Oh no! And you can hear my, oh no. I'm missing a lot. It's because of that thing. And in the background, there's some keyboard typing, so I know he's not. I know that I'm not hacking. I am having like 57 misses. And I know I have some misses and I'm not hacking. I'm so confused. Because obviously, okay. So we're going to, so this is what he called me on. So his favorite song that I picked was this song called, so his favorite song was Hat in Time. Your contract has expired, Ghost remix thing, I don't know. And I actually beat him on this, and then he said hacker. So I'm gonna show some more proof that I'm not a hacker, okay? I'm not a hacker. You know, the keyboards are in the background, so I'm not hacking. And here you can see my misses down there. So he doesn't have the info bar, so that's why I'm so confused on my keylines. Okay, but under here shows all my misses and accuracies and combos. And you know I'm missing a lot. It's because my keybinds are confusing me. I hope the volume is not low. I don't know if it's low or too high. It's like around 3 o'clock in North Carolina. And once I beat him, Lucas was like a bit jealous of me that I won. And he was my friend, but he likes to flex a lot. So, if you guys don't know, I actually do these sort of videos. He flexed me with a demon mask. Some of my friends, Justin and Josephine, told me that Lucas was most likely to be the one flexing. And I don't think, I think I'm just destroyed. I mean, guys, don't just be toxic. Be nice to other people's. And please don't choose argue rather than choosing your family. That's so mean. Oh wait, oh yeah, I don't recommend deathmatch animations, gameplay. Okay. I'm starting to realize I need the running Lobbit animation because I only want the new animations and this animation. Yeah. And that's all for today's video. And if you guys like this video, you will not get eaten by a monster for real. Like, if you're not gonna get eaten by a monster. So like the video!